Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I am Sandy Williams. Flow has launched its 5G mobile network in Jamaica. The high-speed internet is expected to transform digital connectivity through faster internet connection. As Jamaila Maitland reports, postpaid and business customers will be among the first to utilize the service.
Jamaica's fastest network, verified by Ookla, is now 5G.
Vice President and General Manager of Flow, Stephen Price, on Thursday at its headquarters in St. Andrew. Mr. Price, in announcing the 5G rollout, says customers will be experiencing faster downloads, clearer calls over the internet, and more reliable connectivity. Postpaid residential as well as business customers are being prioritized in Phase 1 of the rollout.
Today, blazing fast 5G coverage is now live across Kingston, Portmore, Spanish Town, Maypen, and the entire North Coast.
Flow says 5G network expansion is underway in the major town centres including Black River in St. Elizabeth and Savlamar in Westmoreland to be completed by the end of June. Telecoms Minister Darrell Vaz described it as a critical step in national development.
This is more than a faster network. It is a foundation for a smarter economy and a more connected society.
Of concern, however, is the quality of the service from telecoms providers. The Office of Utilities Regulation, OUR, is responsible for monitoring service quality. With the improved network, Minister Vaz says customers will expect a minimum standard from Flow, and in the event that there are disruptions.
The truth is that the telcos, their public relation department, doesn't need to wait on the OUR to be able to get out there and get information out. And with social media and the type of different sources, I think that there should and can be an improvement, and I expect to see it in the coming days.
Jamaila Maitland, TVJ News.
The JSE index declined by 1,111 points, while the junior market index declined by 36 points. The advancing stocks includes AMG Packaging and Paper, Mayberry Group, Image Plus Consultants, General Accident, and Caribbean Assurance Brokers. The losers were led by Stanley Motor, Portland JSX, Margaritaville Turks, Caribbean Cement, and Blue Power Group, 19 stocks traded firm. And that's it for the Business Day. I am Sandy Williams. Good evening.